Hello, everyone. This is Joe Freyaldenhoven, and today we're doing part 4 of creating the Supernet. And I'm just going to right away go to screen share, and what we're going to do is what I want you to do is log into Team Elite Home Businesses. If you don't have a membership, just go to teamelitehomebusinesses.com and create a free membership. Now, just a little bit of review is, remember, this is a series of training lessons that's going to teach you how to set up a Supernet, which in effect is a system that'll work right now where a lot of things are not working, and a lot of the big gurus have been doing it for years with great success. And the Supernet is basically a system that generates a lot more leads than you've probably been used to. Basically, I'm going to show you how to create 100 leads a day if you would like, if you'll follow what I'm saying, because I do that on a regular basis. And there's some secrets involved in that. What I mean by secret is not so much that it's a secret, it's just so much that most marketers won't tell you about it because they want to keep that for themselves, which is understandable in a sense and not understandable in another sense. But what I want to do today is I'm going to reveal what I call the first secret of creating a Supernet. And to do that, you're going to create your Supernet right here at teamelitehomebusinesses.com. And you can use other sites if they have all these features, but I'm going to show you how to do it right here. When you get your free account, it's no problem. Then you'll want to upgrade because of the benefits of upgrading, but we'll go into that later. But right now, I'm not asking for any money. I'm going to show you. All right, the first thing you do when you log in is what I want to show you is some of the features of what you'll be using when you create your Supernet. And the first one is we're going to go here to this right here in the center, and you click on Change Capture Page, and it pulls up the default folder. And I want you to click on this one with the people here. I want you to just click on anywhere on this image here. When you do, it pulls up a page 137, which is a welcome to the Supernet. Now, this page is where you're going to redirect your people. Your leads are going to be redirected there, and it starts out, it gives you 3 steps of how to set up to get started setting up the Supernet. And as you go down, it's going to go from basically one of these lessons to another one to another one. And we're going to get back to that later. Last week we covered this first one, how to learn how to market online, which in my opinion, World Profit is one of, if not the best place on the internet to learn how to market online. They taught me how to get into that 6-figure yearly income, and they can do the same for you. And you can go back, and if you want to see where you can see these training lessons, I'm going to show you in just a second. But the first thing I want to show you is that page. Now we're going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you all the links on that page, where they come from. If you click on the My Personal Info tab right here on the upper left-hand side, you'll see my information. And when you scroll down, you'll see all of these multiple streams of income that are part of the Supernet. Automatically will have your link on that page as long as you put your username right here. And it explains whether you need to put your username or a number. And in the case of the online ad network, it says add your user ID. And in the case of My Paying Ads, it'll say add your My Paying Ads user ID. Otherwise, it'll say add your username. So you want to make sure you understand the distinction between user ID and username. And when you add your appropriate information on these sites that you are a member of, you just click Save Changes. Now, I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to go back one more time to that page. So it's like this. I'm going to go to the default page, and I'm going to click on this right here. Now, your referrals are going to see your links on every one of these. Click here for details, or wherever there's a link on this page, your referrals will go to your link, provided you have added your link at the My Personal Income page. It's that simple for these multiple streams of income. All you have to do is be sure that you have added your username or user ID on the My Personal Income page, so that all of your referrals will go to your links for every single one of these steps on this Supernet page, including grab your free home business hub for your leads that are not a member yet. They will become your referral and automatically see your links on this page. Very important you understand that, so that's how you get into the income once you get to generating your leads. And the most important thing, remember, is to generate leads. So this is the page right here on the left-hand side of the default page. In the default folder, there it is. And I have explained now how you get your links in there. So what most of you will do is click on this page and join some of those programs under your sponsor right there. If you're already a member, just simply put in your username or user ID on the My Personal Income. It's as simple as that. Now on this page, again, let me go back home and show you how I got to this page. Is you simply click on either Capture Pages or Change Capture Page. So I'm going to click on Capture Pages, which is on your dashboard or your control panel, which is what you come to when you log in. Click on Capture Pages, takes you to the exact same place. And on the right-hand side are the lead capture page folders. Last week, we talked about World Profit. I'm just going to click on this, and there are 3 lead capture pages that I use and generate quite a bit of leads with these pages. Let me just click on this one just to show you what it says. And the secret to building online wealth is simple when you have the right tools. Enter your name and email. These are what I call Supernet lead capture pages, because they have a compelling text and simple. They don't give too much information. They give just enough to get your interest and to go ahead and become a lead. Remember, that's what it's all about, getting leads. The second one I want to show you, for those that are a little more advanced, is the Supernet capture pages. Is right here, right at the bottom. It's Supernet capture pages. And there's 5 in there now. Probably by the time you see this video, there'll be another one. This is one of my hottest ones right here. I'm going to click on it, and it just says the Supernet Business Hub, customized for you, promote any site, free to get started, compare our benefits. Very simple, but compelling, and that's a page that I use to get leads. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and remember that all of these lead capture pages, you do not need to change anything on the page to get it to work, because once you put your username or user ID in My Personal Income, it becomes linked to you. So I'm going to go here and just click on Edit Page. And when I do that, I'm going to click on Settings. And when I do that, on the redirect at the very end, it says tilde username tilde, which is the code for member username, which is you. Right here, member username, tilde username, tilde. So it's already linked to you. You don't need to do anything, and it's going to put all of those leads into the Supernet leads folder, which also will have your link in that, on all those messages in that folder. And there'll be dozens of messages in that folder within a few months as we build this Supernet. So I'm going to go home here. What I want you to understand is the key to building this Supernet is to get your, I'm going to click on my personal income, my personal info. The key is to get your usernames in these spaces here so that these multiple streams become your multiple streams of income. And bear in mind that you can join each one of these as a free member, and in most cases earn some commissions. Very simple strategy. That where you're making your money, that's where you upgrade. That's all you do. Everybody's trying to make it too hard. So now I'm going to go back to capture pages. I'm going to click on the default page again, and just to show you, and I re-edit and edit this page every week. They're not going to see the same thing from week to week. It's going to constantly be changing, and that's another part of building a Supernet, which is taken care of by the admin, because I'm going to be doing that so that everybody that comes down through here, and anywhere they click on one of these links, they will be going to your link, provided you have placed your username in the My Personal Income. And if you notice, number 2 here is SFI, which is another excellent place for training. Next week, that's what the video is going to be about. So between now and next week, I encourage you to log in, click here, get your free account, and get ready for next week, because when I do the program next week, there are going to be a whole bunch of people going to click on that link right there and join SFI. And if you haven't joined as a free member, even as a free member, they're going to come in under you. Otherwise, they're going to come in under me. And I don't want that any more than you do, because remember, I'm here to help you. And when I help you, I help myself. So back to this page that you come to when you click on capture pages. That's the main page right here for the Supernet. And the other on the right-hand side are all of the available, and I can create any kind you want, pages, lead capture pages that you can use. Example of the online ad network. I've got 3 lead capture pages. I'm just going to click on, I got 4. I'm just going to click on this one, and it says teamwork, get paid to advertise. I'll give you a free replicated site. So it's very simple. There again, I'm generating leads. That in this case here on this page, if I click on settings, they're going to the TON online network leads folder, and they're going to be sent to variable 5, which is SFI on my personal info. So there again, you can advertise the online ad network or any of those sites for lead capture pages and not have to worry about the links, because they're already going to be established, provided you have put your username or user ID, as the case may be, in my personal income, my personal info. So I've showed you where the Supernet, the main Supernet page that they'll be redirected to, is located. I've showed you where all the capture pages, lead capture pages, are stored. Now I'm going to show you a little something extra here. And I'm going to make sure that you can do what I'm saying. So I am going to log into a free account here. And when I do, this affiliate reseller option, you can ignore that. Support is working on that to get rid of it. Also, this billing upgrade is going to be changed. If you want to upgrade, you simply go to teamleadhomebusiness.com and pay for the option that you want, and I'll upgrade your existing account. You don't have to create a new account. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go click on capture pages again. And now we're going to go down here. You see this background page wizard here? Okay, and this lightbox capture. This background page wizard is something that will cost you about $30 a month anywhere else. It's very simple. You just click on background page wizard. You can choose any of these pictures here, or I always choose my own. You click on choose file, and it takes you step by step. It is extremely easy to create a background page, and that's what I use almost 100% for my leads captures. Is I use the background image lead capture pages. Let me just get logged in here. I was logged in as a free member there. So I want to make sure that you see how to create your own lead capture pages. Also, on your screen on this side, it will say edit autoresponders. You can add autoresponders, you can edit them. And if you want to know how to do that, I'm not going to get into that today. But if you go to the resources, there's a video on that. Also send me a note and I can talk to you about that. Now, one last thing I want to show you is this is probably the most important page, other than what I've shown you, is the affiliate programs page. Now, over the last 5 years, there's about 4,000 of us now. We have worked together and come up with websites that we are members of that generate us income. There's about 355 of them in here. And the best way to search for it is do Control F and type in, say, safe list, and it's going to pull up a whole lot of safe lists. And most of these safe lists, when you join them, you're going to get a lot of free credits. In some cases, it tells you some little bit of information. You can mail up to 46,000 a day. And in other cases, it will have some sign-up credits, up to 50,000 sign-up credits. There's one, new viral mailer, global viral mailer, get 30,000 sign-up credits right there. Here's one here at Traffic Deluge. There's other ones in there as you go. There's one there for 50,000 credits. It says it's good for the next 7 days, but it still might be good. There's a lot of free bonuses there, and you scroll down the list and just kind of pick and choose. Every single one of them, one of our members is a member of. Now, the good part about that is, if you do this, let me see here, how you can get these people. The last thing I want to cover is, okay, I'm going to just do a summary and show you the last thing. Okay, this is your Supernet hub, teamleadhomebiz.com. Supernet hub. Most important thing is you want to get all of your username and user IDs in the My Personal Income page, so that all those links on the default page will be your links. The next thing you want to do is, if you want to create some lead capture pages, just go to capture page. Come down here to the background page wizard, click on that, and they will automatically be saved on your site, on your account. They will be saved up here in the thing. It's second right here. It'll say My Personal Lead Capture Pages. So what I'm going to do, in order to show you the last thing I want to do, is I'm going to go back to another account so that you can see what you don't see with the admin account. You see. So I'm going to log in here. Now, okay, boo-boo. I'm going to click on affiliate programs, not affiliate center, affiliate programs. This is the last thing I want to show you. Is all you do is you come down through here, and when one of these is red here, You just pick one. When this one, any of these programs, affiliate programs, when you see the red oval, if you click on that red oval, it's going to take you to your sponsor's link so that they will join under you. Now, what you'll want to do is once you are a member of that site, you click on this blue here, right? You see, you click on that right there, and you put in your link right there and hit save. And when you do that, that oval will turn black, meaning that you are a member of that, and any of your leads that come to this page are going to join any of these programs here, any of these, they'll join under you. So believe you me, the members do go to searching for that. And I'm not saying that you want to join every one of those 355, but you do want to go down through there and add your link by clicking the blue to any sites that you are already a member of. So now, the secret of the Supernet, the secret of what's happening now, the secret of the people that are still making money in this crazy world we have, is to have a system to generate a tremendous amount of leads and to have that system promote on automatically multiple streams of income in an ordered way. They will essentially be seeing these videos and others that will be guiding them step by step as they go through the process. So today we covered what I call the first secret, and it's to get your username and user IDs into the main list of income streams that they're going to be directed to, which is this page right here. And then also I showed you how to create a lead capture page, a background image lead capture page, which is the best. I showed you where all the lead capture pages are stored by clicking capture pages. And then I showed you finally at an advanced level how important the affiliate programs are. So, and then don't try to do everything on this video in one day. Remember, this is a system, and you continually make the system better and better and better. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to close this out and say thank you very much, and we will see you next time.